वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल दोस्तों। तो यहाँ पे डॉक्टर विवेक जोशी जी जो कि सेक्रेटरी हैं फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज के, उनको यहाँ पे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, न्यू दिल्ली। तो बड़ा ही इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर है जो कि पेंडिंग है। डियर सर, अकाउंटिंग ऑफ एक्सग्रेशिया पेमेंट्स टू द पेंशनर्स अंडर 9th joint north 12th joint BPS. So within the meaning of BEPR 1995, payment out of funds means pension fund is defined in chapter 3, the fund clause 13, which reads as under: payment out of the fund, the payment of the benefits by the trust shall be administered for grant of pensionary benefits to the employees of the bank or the family pension to the families of deceased employees of the bank. Further, clause 5.2 of the same chapter 3, the fund of BEPR 1995 states as under: constitution of fund, the fund shall have for its sole purpose the provision of payment of pension or family pension in accordance with these regulations to the employee or his family. So in reply to RTI एप्लीकेशन, तो वहाँ पे आपको दोस्तों पता ही होगा जो फंड्स हैं वो क्लियरली जो एम्प्लॉय पेंशन ट्रस्ट फंड है उससे निकाल के आपको एक्सग्रेशिया दिया गया है। बट फ्रॉम द BEPR 1995 provision as given above, ex-gratia cannot be paid to the debit of pension fund trust account. So pension trust fund account can be debited only to pay pensionary benefits to employees or their families. But in case of PNB, employee pension fund trust is an independent legal body, so debiting it for any other purpose for the payment वो दोस्तों clearly fraudulent है. So PNB has once in past debited several thousand crores and credited it to P&L account. Perhaps later it was recredited back. To avoid any legal complication, please instruct the bank to credit back the amount of ex gratia which it paid to the debit of pension trust account. So it was clear that ex gratia 1% additional load was accorded over 17% wage load. So ex gratia has to be treated as wage load expenditure. So pension regulation 1995 has no such provision as of ex gratia payment, so hence it cannot be paid from the trust account. Hope necessary action can be taken in this regard. Understandably other banks have treated it as a revenue expenditure. सो इसी का जो मैसेज है आगे कॉपी करा गया है टू चेयरमैन इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन. सो ये बड़ा ही इम्पोर्टेंट दोस्तों है, बिकॉज पेंशन ट्रस्ट फंड से आप कैसे फ़ंड को निकाल के एक्स ग्रेशिया में दे दोगे. सो दैट्स अ क्वाइट बिग इशू राइट नाउ.